In my previous videos, I was comparing various printers like Brother Printer, actually I've got two Brother printers, a Dymo printer that I already sold, a Zebra printer, and I told you about some cheaper alternatives. And here I have now one that I'm really impressed with. So the brand is iDPRT, so PRT like printing, I guess. The company has a different name that produces it. It's obviously in China, everything's in China, and I was really impressed by the documentation that this company provided to me, various certificates of compliance, can't remember them, in Europe, in America, documents breaking down various components and bits and pieces of this printer, done by some professional bodies, stating the weight, sizes, and all sorts of other things. So that was very impressive. And now the company that's behind it also produces, manufactures and sells big printers, industrial printers, smaller ones, bigger ones. So they are a proper company. They are not just there, you know, to create one printer and disappear. They've been on the market for more than 10 years, and they are a proper big company. There is a black version of this printer in the US, and in the UK there is this white version. The printer comes with a USB cable and with the power cable. The power supply is built in the device, which I like, and there is also a power switch, which I think is very important in case the printer goes crazy or something or needs resetting. You just press the button, you don't need to fumble with the cable, which is very useful. There is this multifunction button and a USB port. So it's not wireless. For a wireless printer you need to pay a little bit more. So this one retails, depending when and where, between, you know, kind of 90 and 150 pounds. So let's say 120, 130 maybe an average price, which is similar to what other competitors do. And now, for example, this Brother printer that I have, that I've been using for years as my main printer, I love it. It retails for around 300 pounds, so 2-3 times more, and it does come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and Brother's other options printers actually. They have, what do they have? Brother also offers this version of the printer without the connectivity, and it's much cheaper when you only want a USB connector. So hence the price quite low. Now the quality, comparing the quality when they both print, so the iDPRT and Brother, when they print fast, iDPRT is actually a tiny bit better. Now Brother has got this function of printing slowly, high quality, and then Brother is better, but only marginally, and it mostly doesn't matter. It's only when we talk about some really small tiny print when I could see any substantial difference. Again, it doesn't really matter for most people. You can still print various labels for FBA, big labels, the small labels, you know, and they are all, you know, the barcode is really, it's visible, can be scanned easily, especially you know, with people who have those terminals. They are expensive devices, they can read those things easily. I tested with my mobile phone, which is not obviously as specialized as those terminals, and my mobile phone didn't struggle either. So quality wise, recommended, really. Okay, so how does it work? Well, so you connect it to your computer via USB port. It works with Mac OS and Windows. Again, there is no support for other systems, as I know, not for Chromebooks. Unfortunately, Chromebook is a kind of a complicated thing. There are some workaround solutions people claim, but I've never managed to make anything work with any of the printers, so not just this one. So I don't think you'll find anything that works on Chromebooks. Anyway, you can use a print server, so you can connect this to another computer maybe, and then from your Chromebook print to somewhere else. That will work, but not directly from your Chromebook. So you connect it, you install the software, it comes on a CD, or you can obviously download it from the website. And most people don't even have today a CD reader, so but it shows how you know, it just tells me a lot about the company. They really care, they are a proper company. So you connect it, plug it in. There is a detailed manual that comes with this. It's got actually quite a lot of pictures, how to set the printer, how to configure various options, etc, etc. Really good, and in good English actually, as opposed to many other brands. So again, well done to iDPRT. It will work with any labels. I think the minimum width is 50 millimeters for whatever reason. Maybe it will not fit there, maybe, you know, because how it works, so you load a label from, let's say, from behind, yeah, so this way, so but I'm going to turn it this way so you can see easier. So you load it, you close it, and then the printer will actually measure the label, will self-ingest it, measure it, and it will set it in a way so it's ready to be printed, so no wastage. It can also be controlled in detail via software that comes with the printer, and for, you know, very demanding industrial users, you can get actually this software called Bartender that comes for free with this printer for full control. But most people won't need it. Straight away you can print your Amazon, FBA, eBay, UPS, other labels from your any software, Adobe Reader, etc. Now the printer, this is not a premium printer, but it's well made, and the company gives warranty for 1 year or 2 years, maybe even now, I can't remember, definitely 1 year. And get this, 160,000 printouts or 30 kilometers. So that's a lot of printing. You would need to be printing every day for the whole year probably, and a lot to actually run out of this. And if you do print so much, then spending another £100 for another printer is not a big deal, you know, because I believe this printer will serve you well. Now it works as other similar printer with most labels, any labels you can use them, as long as you can kind of load it at the back or from behind, you know, then it will work. So you just load the labels and the printer will do the job itself. It will ingest the labels. You just need to make sure that you load them the right way. Actually, I have it the other way around now. I would need to swap them. But anyway, let's imagine this is the right way. So I would load it, close it, and the printer would do the job. It will manage the whole thing. It has enough power to pull those labels easily. And if you need to use a roll, so if you don't have, for example, a those stacked labels or fan folded, as some people say, you get a roll and there is the bar that comes with the tray. Now the tray is sold separately, so there are many brands available, and iDPRT, they also provide this unbranded tray separately. So you put a roll on this bar, place it there, and then you can use it with this or many other printers. I could even use it with my brother labels, so I just simply take it out, remove this label. Now I would need to kind of manually unwind it probably, or maybe not, no, yes, because it's not been designed for this. But if I manually unwind it from this, I can load it and it will also work. So really good, recommended printer. Seriously, if you're thinking about buying a printer like this, this gets my recommendation. Just buy it. Links below. I am affiliated with Amazon, so thank you for using my links. I will probably make a separate video showing exactly how to set it up, but it's really straightforward, as I said, and you've got this manual, and you've got videos on YouTube. The company made some videos, or on their website, showing you quite a lot of things as well. What can I say? Well done, iDPRT, you know, and thanks for the like. You know, a like helps me with the algorithm, and for subscribing as well. So guys, if you have any questions about this printer, leave them in the comments and I will try to answer as soon as I can. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Take care.